Pausing my run again for another Decoding Musk blog. Commentators seem to be surprised at the turnout of Tommy Robinson's Unite the Countries rally in London and the appearance there of Elon Musk. There's a simple reason for this surprise. Musk has skewed the X algorithm so posts by Tommy Robinson have greater reach than those of Nigel Farage. He's also gaining followers at a faster rate, 370,000 since January 2025, compared to Farage adding just 70,000. I'll tell you why Musk has shifted allegiance from Reform UK to Advance UK in a moment. But first, the other big obvious point that journalists and politicians have missed. Something I've been writing about since before Trump's inauguration. Why is Musk, the EV and solar power guy, installing politicians who will kill net zero? Here's some words from George Blankenship, former Tesla vice president, talking to the BBC in 2022.
No question he's going to go to Mars. Why do you think he's doing the Boring Company? You think the Boring Company is going to send one up there so he can bore underground and you can have some shade? There's a much bigger picture in Elon's mind than what mere mortals are aware of today. But when you step back and you look at it, some way or another, it all goes together.
Let's make this real. Let's make this real.
He's backed Trump, Reform UK, now Advance UK, and AfD in Germany. All will kill net zero and accelerate climate breakdown. Why does Musk want Earth to become increasingly uninhabitable? Because Musk says he will take 1 million people to Mars as humanity's backup to escape the inevitable collapse of civilization on Earth. He said he wants 1% of Earth's resources directed to making humanity multiplanetary. It seems that all ends might justify the means for Musk to achieve his mission. He catalysed the rise of Reform UK from 14% it got at the 2024 general election to leading polls. So he was achieving his goal of putting a party that will kill net zero into government. So why the switch to Advance UK? Musk has told us exactly what he is doing. He posted, "Civil war is inevitable." He shared a post on X saying Reform UK was to break the Uni Party and destroy Labour and the Tories. Now it's done its job, it's time to bring in Advance UK. At Tommy Robinson's rally, Musk was very clear. He doesn't want to wait 4 years for the next election.
Whether you choose violence or not, violence is coming to you. You either fight back or you die. You either fight back or you die. I really think that there's got to be a change of government in Britain. And you can't, we don't have another 4 years or whatever the next election is. It's too long. Something's got to be done. There's got to be a dissolution of Parliament and a new vote held. Just the normal people that just want to go about their business, that they're sort of in a village somewhere, they're working, they just want to mind their own business. But you've got to point out to them that if we don't take action, they won't be able to mind their own business because other people are going to come and maraud them. There's genuine risk of rape and murder and the destruction of the country and dissolution of the entire way of life.
So he's calling for Parliament to be deposed and he's calling for violence. With tens of police injured, that's what you can expect from Tommy Robinson rallies. With asylum seeker hotels being firebombed, that's what you can expect from the advance of the far right. Musk decided in 2022 that he needed to accelerate his fantasy of saving humanity by creating a self-sustaining base on Mars. That's when he commissioned this sculpture, the fork in the road. The timing of Musk abandoning Reform UK was quite specific. It wasn't in January when he said Farage is not up to the job. In February, he congratulated him for overtaking the Tories. It was the end of August when Farage gave a speech on immigration and said he would round up 600,000 illegal immigrants in the UK. For Musk, that is not extreme enough. This may all sound crazy, but it's Musk's craziness. Civil war, martial law, an autocratic government within less than 4 years, so he can accelerate his plan to get to Mars. Keep watching what he's doing and see if somehow or other it all goes together. I've never seen Musk post anything about school shootings in the US, and he installed Trump, who pledged to reverse the gun control measures introduced by Biden. Musk cared about kids. Why did he kill USAID? According to The Lancet, this will cost the lives of 4.5 million children under 5 over the next 5 years. Subscribe, like, follow for the continuing story.